as we grow older, staying active isn't just about looking good. It's about maintaining independence, strength, and a high quality of life. Yet many people over 50 overlook one critical fact: muscle loss is a natural part of aging. Known as sarcopenia, this process can lead to weakness, poor balance, and limited mobility if left unchecked. But here's the great news. Consistent movement can not only slow down muscle loss, but even reverse it. These 7 simple yet powerful exercises help to rebuild strength, improve balance, and feel more confident in your body. Before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We share practical, science-backed fitness tips every week to help you stay strong at any age. You won't want to miss them. Let's begin with calf raises. They may look simple, but they are one of the best ways to maintain ankle stability and leg strength. 2 things that help prevent falls as we age. The calf muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus, help propel us forward when walking and climbing stairs. Unfortunately, they weaken with age, which is why older adults often develop a slower, more unsteady gait. To perform this move, stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. You can lightly rest your hands on a wall for support. Slowly lift your heels, rising onto the balls of your feet. Pause at the top, then lower in a controlled manner. Focus on maintaining balance and good posture. Next, the lateral crossover walk targets your hip muscles, which are crucial for stability but often neglected. Weak hips increase your risk of side-to-side falls. This exercise strengthens the hip abductors, adductors, and core. Start standing tall with knees slightly bent. Step to the right, then cross your left foot behind your right. Continue this pattern for about 10 steps, then reverse. Keep your torso upright and feet pointed forward. Avoid leaning to the sides or taking tiny steps. Now let's move to a simple but highly beneficial practice. Hanging from a pull-up bar. This isn't about doing pull-ups. It's about allowing your body to hang, which decompresses the spine, improves posture, and enhances shoulder mobility. Find a stable bar and grip it with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Let your body hang naturally, relaxing your shoulders away from your ears. If full suspension is too difficult at first, keep your feet lightly touching the ground. Our next move is the glute bridge, which strengthens the glutes, key muscles that often weaken with age due to prolonged sitting. Weak glutes can cause lower back pain and poor posture. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core and glutes and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower slowly without touching the floor completely. Avoid arching your lower back. Start with 3 sets of 12 reps and progress by trying single leg bridges as you get stronger. Moving on, mountain climbers combine core work with a bit of cardio. Begin in a high plank with your hands under your shoulders. Drive one knee toward your chest, then alternate legs in a controlled rhythm, like running in place horizontally. Keep your hips level and move steadily. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds, resting 60 seconds between rounds. Over time, build up to 45 to 60 seconds per set. This move not only strengthens your core and shoulders, but also gives your heart a healthy boost. Now onto a true classic, push-ups. They build upper body and core strength, which is vital for functional fitness as we age. If needed, start with wall push-ups or on your knees. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Press back up with control. Focus on the full range of motion. No half reps. Begin with 2 sets of as many reps as you can manage with good form and progress to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps over time. Finally, we have traditional squats. one of the best exercises to preserve independence. Squats strengthen your legs, glutes, and core while improving joint mobility and balance. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out. Push your hips back as if sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up. Lower as far as comfortable, then press through your heels to stand. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps and work up to 3 sets of 15. If needed, use a chair for support as you build strength. There you have it, 7 effective exercises to help you stay strong, balanced, and independent after 50. Consistency is key, so aim to include these moves in your weekly routine. Here's to staying fit, healthy, and active well into the years ahead. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.